Welcome to the DLS Hosted PBX Quick Tips. My name is Sam, and today I will show you how to install DLS Desktop Communicator, your desktop softphone application that works on Windows and Mac computers. Let's get started. First, log into your hosted PBX using a web browser. Make sure you have your username or extension and password ready. Once logged in, navigate to the apps and select Desktop Communicator. You'll see a download link that matches your computer platform. Click on the link to start downloading the application. After the download, open the file to begin installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to properly install the communicator on your computer. Open the communicator. Here, I am using a Mac, but in Windows, you can easily find it in your Start menu. The app will prompt you to log into the hosted PBX again. And that's it. You're now ready to use your DLS Desktop Communicator to place voice calls, play recorded calls, check voicemail, and send and receive SMS, MMS, and faxes. Thank you for following along with this installation guide. Enjoy your new DLS Desktop Communicator.